Hey friends, I want to share just a few tips on having a dinner party and doing your prep mostly beforehand. Okay, tomorrow we're having Christmas lunch here at our house, and there are roughly 23, 24 people. Maybe 7 of those are children. So I wanted to have everything in order where when everyone comes and everyone's bringing a dish, all we would have to do is arrange food and tables would be set. So let me tell you what I did. I did have some help from a precious and talented friend, Christy Wilson, Gildan Garnish. And if you want her information, just message me and I'll give it to you. She does charcuterie, party planning, and she's fabulous. She actually did this because we do have so many people coming. We turned this into a seating for 3. We have very inexpensive chargers, and then cloth napkins and a little garnish. And then all we'll have to do the day of the party is fill the glasses with ice and beverage, and then put a white plate on top of each charger. But what will happen is everyone will go through the line and fix their plates and then go sit where the chargers are. So let me show you a few of the other tables. Okay, and then in the dining room, I used different chargers. My sweet friend Cindy gave me these years ago. They're so pretty, and they're glass also. And then the cloth napkins and the garnish. And then I have another low centerpiece that is just a big bowl filled with moss, pillar candles, and then these 2 reindeer. And I will light these during the meal. Okay, and then this is the basement. This is just sort of a basement apartment den area, super casual down here. But what we did is we got the inexpensive chargers. These are made like of a plastic coating. These are everywhere during the holidays. Home Goods, TJ Maxx, I think they're like $2 each, if that much. So we put these down, and then these are just fun paper napkins. And this is probably where the kids will be. And then there's the little garnish. And for this centerpiece, I just had this low bowl and I put 3 of these little balls. And then I will just light these little tea candles, just super inexpensive, doesn't block anyone's view. And then I will tell you, I got 24 place settings of gold flatware from Target. And I love it, and I'm going to wash it and put it away and only use it for parties and entertaining, because my flatware seems to disappear when I try to use it for the family and use it for parties. So this, I believe it was $10 per place setting, and it's beautiful, and it just adds a little touch of glam to your table. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and I hope that your entertaining is made simpler by some of these tips. Have a fabulous day.